I got Xbox Elite 2 controller, and the customer said the LB button is not registered. So I will try to fix the button today. If you have any question, please leave a comment. You don't need to open screws. I just try to remove this piece and clean. I use this one. Let's return everything back and test it. As you can see, everything perfect. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you like my content, don't forget to give me like to this video and subscribe to my channel.